Yo, what's good, you guys? What's happening? What's up? Man, you guys. Just want to wait until we get a couple more people in the building. Yo, we about to talk about some good things today. We about to talk about some good things. We about to have a really nice live show, you guys. A really nice live show. I got something nice for you guys today. All right, let's see. Let's see who's in the building. Yeah, welcome everybody. Smack that thumbs up. You guys, it's free to hit the likes button. It's free to hit it. Okay. Let's see who else we got in here. Got my dude Woods. What's up? What's happening? Yeah, welcome everybody. Smack that thumbs up. Troop. Thanks for stopping by, Troop. Appreciate it. That's my mod. Okay. Appreciate it. Let's see who else we got in here. Let's see who else we got here. Got my dude Woods. Happy freaking New Year's 2025. 2024. You said 2024 next one. You guys. Oh, okay. Appreciate it. You guys, man. First live show for the year. First live show for the year, you guys. I told you guys I'm gonna start doing more live shows like this. Okay. Probably like I'm gonna try to push it 2 times a week. We're gonna see how things go. You know what I mean? How much attention I can get. You know, I'm gonna put it out there. I'm gonna do my thing. And plus, I miss you guys, man. I miss getting on this mic, you know, and getting on how things go, you know, and getting to chat with you guys and getting to, you know, do some things. Okay. I'm gonna do my thing. We're gonna talk about some things today. We're gonna talk about Jellifin, okay? A free open source, okay? Free open source, okay? We're gonna talk about first time here. Thank you for joining, my man. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. We appreciate you. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. You guys, you about to learn some things today. I got some things to show you guys, man. Jellyfin is nice, you guys. I've been playing with this off and on for about probably at least about 5 or 6 months. You know what I mean? I've been spending some time, you know, trying to figure out, you know, how to make things work on here. And you guys, man, Jellyfin is a beast. When I mean it's a beast, it's a beast. Plex and MB ain't got nothing on Jellyfin, okay? First, it don't have nothing on Jellyfin. Jellyfin is an open source, okay? It's free. It's free, you guys. There's nothing to pay. There's nothing that you have to pay to use it, okay? You can add your own media content to it, okay? You can add your own media content to it, and it's real nice. I'm about to show you guys today what it looks like. I'm gonna go a little bit through and show you, you know, what you need to do to get it started, okay? Very simple to start, very easy to work with, okay? There's nothing hard about it. You know, you just got to put everything in the right path, and once you get it in the right path, it's like butter and jelly, okay? All right, it's like it's that good, okay? There's nothing hard about it. You guys, if you haven't done so, hit that thumbs up, everybody. Hit that thumbs up so we can get more and more people in here, okay? Yeah, Jellyfin is nice. It's open source and it's free, okay? Everybody likes the word free. Okay, everybody likes the word free because nowadays most people don't want to pay to use anything. Okay, They want to be able to use it at their convenience and do what they want to do with it. And that's what Jellyfin is. It's an open source. Okay, it's an open source, and it works very, very super well. I've tried it out, and it also has an APK. Okay, Jellyfin has an APK, so you can put it on your tablet, you can put it on your phone, and it works that well. Okay, it works that well. It does the job, and I have it. Soon as I get some extra things I want to get, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Probably on the next show, I'll make it another show and show you guys what it looks like Android wise. Okay, today I'm gonna show you what it looks like as a server, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like to set it up. Okay. So let's see who else we got here, because there's just a bunch of people just popped in. Android wise, okay. Today I'm going to show you. KODIMAN is the best. Go KODIMAN. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, Vincent. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you. Much love. Okay. Who else we got here? Because there's just a bunch. Here's my other mod, Miss Shrinking Sharon. Appreciate you, Miss Shrinking Sharon, for stopping by. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Let's see who else we got down here. Appreciate you. Much love. Okay. Matthew Bradley says, I love free. And I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, if you do this the right way, and there is no hard way to do this. It's very, very simple. All you're doing is feeding it. All you're doing is feeding it your content, and it picks it up, and it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, I'm about to show you guys today. See who else we got here. There is no hard way to do this. It's very, very simple. It says I got burnt before with all these monthly apps. I hear you, man. It does what it's supposed to do. Plex, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm about to show you guys today. Plex, you have to pay to use it on your phone and your tablet. It's a Plex Pass. Okay. MB, you have to pay for and use it on your tablet and your phone. Okay. Jellyfin, you do not have to pay to use it on your tablet. You do not have to use it to pay it on your phone. You do not have to pay for it to use it on your Android box. You don't have to pay for it to use it on your PC or none of that stuff. And it works on all different platforms. I'm about to show you guys here in a minute. Okay. Let's see who else we got right here. Okay, we got okay, she's saying hello to Matthews. All right. So let's go ahead and let's get this started, because I don't want to keep you guys too long. I know it's real late, but you guys know how I am. I have to do my stuff late. I have, I got my setup, right where I am at, where everybody's at. So I have to do it late, so, but we're going to get started. I'm about to show you guys what it looks like. I'm about to show you how it performs, not by how it performs. I can't show you how it plays, but I'm about to show you basically the whole thing. Okay. What it looks like as a server wise. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's go over to the screen right here. What it looks like. I'm about to show you how it performs, not by how it performs. All right, first we're looking at right here, you guys. I'm about to show you basically the whole thing. This is the download page right here, and as you can see, you have Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and Dockers. These are all the servers that you can use. Okay. As you can see, you got Linux here. Okay. As you can see, you have Linux. You got Windows here. Mac OS, and you got Mac OS here. Okay. And I never heard of Dockers, but you can actually put it on there too. I never heard of Docker. Okay. So these are like this right here in the download page is the servers. Okay. You have to download the server first, okay, to get started. And once you get the the server downloaded. It's simple instructions to set it up. You know, you just install it wherever you're going to install it to. And basically, it's basically the same thing as Plex. It's basically the same thing with MB. Okay, you have to install it. You have to set up a password and a username for it. And after you get your password and your username set up, you're right there. Okay, you're right there. That's simple. Just choose a username, a password that you're going to definitely remember. Okay, because you don't want to. You definitely don't want to lose that. Okay, and so make sure you write it down. Whatever you have to do. Okay. Also, right here. And I have this listed inside description, you guys, where you can get this right here, okay? Where you can download the server and the client. The client is the player, okay? Look at all these players that it plays on, okay? Media player, okay, that's for a desktop. This is a Kodi interface. So you guys, I have this installed on my Kodi, but I haven't really played with it yet. But I installed it before. I installed it before a long time ago, and I took it down because I had to redo my build. But it works very, very super well on the K word. I'm telling you, it works very, very super well on the K word. Okay, it works. Then you have Android right here, right? Okay. Then you have iOS. Okay. Then you have Android TV. Look, you guys, Jellfin or Roku. Man, is that a game changer or what? You can cut the cord with a Roku device, okay? You can install this right here. You can install this on a Roku, okay? And here's a web OS. You can install it as a web, the web, okay? And then Infusion. I never heard of Infusion. It says a third-party client for iOS, iPad OS, and TV OS devices, okay? So this is like Apple right here, okay? You can install it on these devices too. So if you have like an iPad, or if you have like a TV OS or whatever, you can install it through there, okay? And also they give you up here at the top, you have blog, you have your download, contribute. You can contribute to it if you wish to. You have documentation. You have where you can contact them. And then you also have the form. So like the form is nice, you guys. If you go in there on the form and you're having problems, you can communicate with other people that are using Jellyfin, and maybe there might be something that you're not getting that another person is working on that's getting the same thing. And then they might make it work and you can't get it to work. They might be able to help you out. Okay. So that's real nice with the form right there. Okay. And you also have a search up here. Okay. So all this right here, and here is some other stuff right here. Okay, MPV shim. Okay, Jellyfin amp. I've never heard. This is a desktop client for listening to music for Jellyfin servers. So this is like special for music. Look at all this stuff you guys got right here that you can use, okay? As you can see, Jellyfin for Kodi, okay? Android, all this stuff, you guys. And this is all free, okay? This is all free, okay? All free. There is nothing on here that you have to pay for, okay? Nothing that you have to pay for, okay? So let's go over here to Jellyfin right here, and I'm going to show you what mine looks like. Okay. This is what mine looks like, okay, setup wise, okay. This is what it'll look like inside the app too, okay. You get to all your sections, you know, they give you the latest and everything, all that stuff, okay. And it's all listed down here, okay. All listed down here, and you can just pick and choose what you want, or if you want to, you know, they give you the latest and everything. You have your categories up here at the top. I'm going to show you. Like I have action, adult cartoon collections, and also what's nice about this, you guys, collections. Okay. If when you go ahead and you build your library, it'll ask you inside. When you're installing the library, okay, it'll ask you, do you want to add these to a collection, okay? You want to click yes, okay, because all your collections are going to show up right here. Let me see if I can bring it up. Right here. You see how I put it all in collections, okay? These are all, everything that I had more than 1 to 2, more than one movie in the same name, it puts it in a category, okay? It puts it in a category for you automatically, and it makes it into a collection, okay? So you can't get that. You can't get that on Plex, and I don't mess around with MB that much, so I don't really think that you can get that on MB free. Okay. I know you can't get it on Plex. Plex, you have to make your own collection. Okay. You have to make your own collection, and it's nice, you guys, because you can open up all this. Like I'll open up like Aliens. Okay. It shows you all the collections down here that I have of Aliens. Okay. I'm not for sure if I got all of them. But you see how it says 4 in here? Then you have your play, you have your rewind, your favorites, and all that stuff right there. But it adds all that, and it gets all the artwork for you for free. Okay, it does all this stuff for free. Okay. You see how it says 4 in here? Let's go back out to here. Okay. So as you can see, there's more collections. I got more stuff. And here's my horror collection right here. Okay. So it puts all that stuff. And when you do this, you guys, you want to break it down into categories. Okay. You want to break all your content down into different categories. You want to break the horror into horror. You want to put the action with the action. You want to put everything in a certain category, okay? Don't just take all your movies and put them in one big folder, because then you're going to be disappointed the way it looks, okay? I'm real picky about things. And also right here, look. If you click on this, say if you click on this right here, okay, same thing is MB, and the same thing is Plex, okay? But it gives you all these ratings and everything here, and it tells you what time it ends if you watch it right now, and that'll switch every time till you start. It tells you the audio. It tells you the subtitles if you want subtitles, okay? And it also gives you all your description and everything down here at the bottom, and it tells you the cast and crew, okay? And then it also gives you more like this, okay? So it'll give you recommended movies that you can actually play that's related to this movie, okay? You have your play button over here. You have the trailer. Now, with the trailer, you guys, as long as you have YouTube installed on your device, okay, 99.9% of everybody that is on YouTube, well, I'm going to say 100%. I'm not going to say 99. 100% people, okay, that's on YouTube have a YouTube account. You have to have one. Okay? If you're listening to this, you have a YouTube account. Okay? And as long as you have a YouTube account, this trailer will play. It will play the trailer for it. Okay? So that's nice that it adds it in there, because I try using this on Plex with the trailer, and they want to make you pay for it. Okay? They want to make you pay to watch the trailer. Okay? But on Jellifin, you guys, you don't have to. Okay? All these little small features like the collections and the trailers and all this stuff, you don't have to pay for this. Okay? And also you can mark it as played. You can put it as your favorite. And then you also have a little menu right here. You can add it to a collection. You can add it to a playlist. You can do all this stuff down here. Okay? You can download it. Copy stream URL. Okay? So you could take this URL, right? You can copy the URL. You can send it to somebody else, and they can watch it from there. Okay? If you don't want to give them your account, you can copy this URL right here and send it, and they'll be able to watch it. Just this movie right here. Okay? You can edit your metadata. You can edit the image. So if you don't like the image, you can always change the image up. You can edit the subtitles, identify media information, refresh, and you can share it. Okay? Now, I just showed you a little bit of Jellifin in a matter of 5 minutes. Okay? You tell me. I mean, I don't know if I'm getting the wrong impression about it, but I think it's way better than Plex. I think it's way better than Plex. You know, but this all came from developers of Plex and Emby and Jellyfin. All came from Kodi. Okay, they all branched off. They all made their own little thing. And whoever made Jellyfin, shout out to them, man. Shout out to them that made Jellyfin, because you guys better take advantage of this while you can. Because one of these days it might go pay. You know what I mean? One of these days it might. You never know. But right now, it's an open source. Okay? It's an open source to use all this. Okay? And you also have this where you can screencast up here. You can search. Here's your profile up here. And you can sync play. Okay? And then you have, okay, let's go over here. It's an open source to use all this. Okay? Let's go to the home button. And then you have your home button right here. These are all your categories right here. That you have, okay? This shows you all your categories right here that you added, okay? And if you go down here, you have dashboard, you have metadata, you have settings and sign out, okay? You go to dashboard right here. Here's everything that you can set up for your server, okay? This is the server, okay? It's telling you right here, it's my server name. And you can change the server name on there if you want to. There's a spot in there where you can change it, okay? You have your activity right here. So it shows me, okay, that I was online from Chrome. And it shows me I was disconnected. So if you're sharing this, you can actually see who's watching, what they're watching, and it'll show you their IP address, okay? Here's TM box sets. Here's skins was installed. I installed Skin Manager. And here's down here our pass, okay, for Jellyfin, okay? Then you have your general, okay? This is a server name. If you go to general, you can change the name. You can change the name of the server name if you, because it's going to come up as a different name. So you can make it whatever you want. If you want, say you want to make it Susie's Jellyfin, okay? You can make it Susie's Jellyfin. You want to make it Shrinking Sharon's Jellyfin, you can make it Shrinking Sharon's, okay? And that's what's nice about it. You have control over all this stuff, okay? You have control over all of it, okay? And you can change the language, okay, through here. So I know there's a lot of people that follow me, and they're from other countries, and they want it in their language, okay? If you click down here, okay, through here, look at all these languages they got, okay? Follow me, and this is not it. There's actually more than this, okay? When you set it up, but you can actually put it in your own language, okay? And it'll play it in your own language. These right here are the paths for your server's cache and your metadata, okay? It goes right here, okay? And this right here is Quick Connect. Enable Quick Connect on this server, okay? You always want to keep this checked, because if you wanted to do a quick connect to it, you can do that. It'll ask you, it'll give you a code to put in, a set of numbers. Excuse me. It'll give you a set of numbers, okay? And you can put those numbers in there, and you can change those numbers. What's up, my dude Paper? Mr. Meet and Greet, what's up? What's happening? And then you also got some other things down here, and you can enable splash screen. And then every time you make changes, you got to hit save. Okay, you also got to hit save to make those changes. Okay, don't forget, because if you put a name in here or you make changes to it and you don't hit save, it won't save it. Okay, these are the users. Okay, now we want to talk about sharing it. Okay, you can share this with anyone. Okay, you can share this with anyone, and what's nice about it is you have control over all this stuff right here. You have control of it. Okay, you have control. So this is me right here. Okay, you have help, and you have this little plus sign right here. Okay, if you click on this plus sign, you want to put in the name of whoever you're sharing it with, or whatever name you're gonna get, and you can create a password for them. Excuse me. And also down here, enable access to all library. You can give them access to all library, or you can go down here and you can pick which one you only want them to have. Okay, say you just want them to have hot picks. Well, you could click hot picks, and that's all they have access to. Okay, say maybe somebody only wants collections. Okay, you could do that. You can share just collections with them. Okay, and remember, always hit save. Okay. Always hit save when you're making changes. Okay? Let's go down here to the library. This is your library, you guys. This is where all of it begins. Okay? You have up here, you can scan all your libraries. So it'll automatically pick up whatever you put on it. Okay? It'll automatically pick up. It'll automatically add to it. But say you put something on there and it didn't show up right away, okay? You can come in here to your server and you can scan all your libraries, or you can click on here and you can just scan just this library right here. Okay. You have where you can edit image. You can manage your library. You can rename it. You can remove it. Okay. And that's for each one of these. Okay. Each one that you can do this for. So say you didn't like, the background on this one. Okay. You can go up here to edit image and you can add another image to it and it'll show up. Okay. You can just change your image. And down here at the bottom, add media library. This is where you add your library, you guys. This is where you add it. Okay. If you click on this, it says content type. Okay. So what you want to do, it gives you movies, music, shows, books, photos, music videos, and mixed and movies and shows. And that's what I like about Jellyfin, because say you want to put all your TV shows and your movies in one folder, okay? Say you have them all in one folder, and say you don't want to switch it up. There's an option right here, mix movies and shows. Okay, you can put that in there, and it'll automatically bring all that stuff up together. Okay, all you have to do, I'm going to show you something. So you just pick, like, say like you want movies. You pick movies, and say you want to change this and make it drama. So you just type in drama, okay? And this is where it happens right here, where it says folder and it says plus, okay? These are all my hard drives or servers that are connected to my network. Okay, all you have to do is find your hard drive or your server and click on it and click on that path wherever it is, and then click OK. Okay, servers that are connected to my network. Now, all you have to do is prefer download language. Okay, I'm about to show you this. And click on it. This is crazy. Look at all these languages they have. Okay? All these languages they have. Look at this. Ukraine. Vietnamese. Okay, I'm about to show you this. Okay? This is crazy. All these languages they have. Okay? Swedish. Okay? Some of these I'm not for sure of what language they are, but Polish. Portuguese, Portugal, Brazil. Okay, so you can use all these different languages and use, or look, Korean, okay, Japanese, and it will actually play in that language. Okay, Portuguese, Portugal. So you just pick your download language right there, and then you have to pick your country. Okay, so whatever country you're from. You go down and you pick your country, whatever it is. Like they have United Kingdom. A lot of people are from the UK too. So you can pick United Kingdom. You can pick United States. Okay, you can pick whatever fits your country. Okay. Pick your country, whatever it is. And if you're picking movies, United Kingdom, enable real monitoring. You want to keep this checked. So you can pick. Now this is where I'm talking about. Right here, you guys. Automatic add to collections right here. You want to check that. Okay? Because you see right here it says when at least 2 or more movies have the same collection name, they will automatically be added to the collection. Okay, so say you have all the Fast and the Furious, okay, in your media, okay. If you click this, it will automatically put it in one big group for you. It'll put it on one big group for you automatically. And all that stuff is right there. Okay. Like I showed you on the collection part. It'll automatically do that for you. Okay. These two you want to keep checked. Refresh metadata from internet. You want to keep this. You can do this every 90 days, every 30 days. But I just use that as never. Okay. Media data server. You can change that if you want to use that. You want to keep all these checked because you want to get as much as metadata as you want to get. Okay, you want to get as much as you can. Okay, you want to get as much as you can. You want to keep all these checked. And down here it says save artwork into media folder. So you can click this, okay, and it'll save it to a folder if you want to, but I don't do that. And then you have enable attraction, enable chapter image attraction, okay. These I don't even mess with. Excuse me. But if you wanted to, you can do these, okay. If you're into, if you're really big into your media, you can do this, okay? And all you have to do is click OK, okay? And what it'll do is it'll automatically start searching for everything inside that folder and create everything right here, okay? It'll automatically search and keep everything right here, okay? Let's go down here to Playback. So you have your hardware acceleration, okay? If you want to mess around with this, you can, but I feel that there's no need to. Some people like to mess around with this if they have, different ways of acceleration with their hardware. You can, like it has NVIDIA right here. It has Intel. Okay, it has Apple Video Toolbox. So you can mess around with it, but I just leave it as none. And you can actually allow encoding in HEVC format. Okay, so you can do that also. Transcord thread count. You have your MegPeg path. Okay, you have your transcode path. All this stuff you can mess with, okay? But I don't feel no need to mess with none of this. Okay, you always want to leave this alone. Excuse me. But like I'm saying, if you know what you're doing, my dude, Red Ladder, Frank, what's up, my man? Appreciate you from coming by. Appreciate it, man. I don't see no need to mess around with none of this. If you're really big into setting things up like different ways, you can. And also they do have a help up here. If you don't know what you're doing, you can click on that and it'll give you some information on it. Okay. Devices, you guys. So it'll show you on here all the devices that is connected to. Okay. You can delete all of them, or if you go into here, you can edit them. Okay. So right now, these are all my devices that is connected to. Like I told you, I tested out on my phone. I tested out on Kodi. I tested, and then here's my computer. Okay. So I tested out on all these, and so far, you guys, man, does it look awesome. Okay. It looks really awesome. And it plays really good. Okay. And also with everything, they always have a help up here if you need more assistance. Okay. Activity. It'll show you right here what activity, if you're online or if you're offline. If you go offline, it'll show right here that you're offline with that device. Okay. So once again, you can actually see if somebody's online watching something or if they're not. Okay. If you go offline, it'll show. Here's a DLNA. DLNA. Okay, I'm not for sure about this. I never messed around with it, but if you guys know what you're doing with the DLNA, you most definitely can use it in here. Let's see what else we got. Live TV. So if you have a tuner, okay, or if you have a TV guide data provider, you can add that in here, okay? And like, you can add this stuff in here, okay? So if you have a tuner type, or if you have a TV guide, HD home run, M3U tuner, and other, okay? So if you have these devices, okay, or some other ones, you can add it in there, okay? And all you have to do is click detect my device, and it should find it, okay? And don't forget to hit save after you get done, okay? DVR, okay, or some other ones. So this is like, DVR is like recording, okay? So you can actually record on here too, okay? Number of days of guide, data download. So this is like, if you have live TV, okay, and you want to record on here too, you can do that, okay? Movie record path, you can pick that. Series record path, default recording path, numbers of days of guide data to download, okay? All this stuff right here, okay? You can do that, okay? Then you have your network down here, you guys. So I don't mess around with this, but this right here, allow remote connections to this server, okay? Don't leave this unchecked, because if you leave this unchecked, then you can't share it, okay? You want to allow remote connection to this server if you're sharing it, okay? If you're not sharing it, you can uncheck it and just go from there and just use it, you know, like you're using it at your house, okay? But you have all this stuff, and you have a whitelist, enable auto port mapping, and then you have your IP protocols. You have enable IPv4, IPv6, okay? And then you also have firewall and proxy settings, okay? Your API key. If you have a certain API key that you want to add to here, you can do it. You can add it to it. You guys, these are the things that Plex, these are the things that MB does not offer, okay? You can go to Plex right now. If you have a Plex account, I guarantee you, you cannot add an API key. You can add it to it. You cannot. Okay. So you can add API key and app and date used. You can add it right here. All you have to do is click this plus, type in the app name, okay, whatever it is, and then click OK, and it'll give it to you. Okay. So here's your logs. It'll give you, your logs and everything. If there was something that you needed to see. Type in the app name. Here's your notifications. Okay. It'll tell you if anything was added. It'll tell you if anything was installed. It'll tell you if anything failed. It'll tell you if the servers restarted, required. Okay. All this stuff you can do. Plugin failure and plugin installed. Plugin uninstalled. It'll tell you all that. Okay. Video playback. User locked out. Okay. And then you have down here plugins, you guys. And this is what's really super nice with Jellifin. You have where you can get plugins for this. Okay. And they do have a category right here, okay? These are all the plugins I have installed on here, just for now. I'm kind of playing around with them a little bit, because I'm not for sure yet with these, but if you click category, you guys, these are all the plugins that you can use, okay? You can install these plugins and they will work for you, okay? Different plugins like fan art, TV, IM, VDB, okay? You got open subtitles, TMDB box sets. I have that installed. So what it does is with the TMD box sets, when you install it, it finds all the data work for it, for the box sets, and installs it on there. Okay, all these plugins, next PVR, that's like, you have track right here. You have Kodi sync. You can sync all your stuff with Kodi on here. Okay, if you install this plugin, it'll automatically sync from here to your Kodi. Okay, it automatically sync it. So you don't have to go back and you can sync all your you don't have to worry about, did it make it to my Kodi or did it not. It'll automatically show up, but it should show up anyways. But you have all these plugins, and there's more plugins than this. If you go on the internet and search for Jellyfin plugins, you can do that. And here's the repositories. This is where you add them, okay? So if you click on here, you want to put in the repository name, and you want to put in the URL for it if you're getting a third-party one, okay? Because there's a lot of third-party plugins for Jellyfin, okay? There's a lot of third-party plugins. So all you would do is you would add the name to it, add the URL, and hit save. And when you do that, it'll automatically add it. Okay? It'll automatically add it. So these are the two that's in here for right now. I really haven't messed with it, but as soon as I mess with it more, I'm going to show you guys how to play with that. Okay? And then you have scheduled tasks down here. Okay? So you can update your plugins. You can download missing subtitles. You can extract chapters image. You can do all this stuff down here, you guys. You can scan your library for new box sets. Okay? So, you can extract chapters image. You guys, you can do all this stuff down here, you guys. Man, I'm telling you guys. You can scan your library. This right here is a game changer. Okay? So, you can't get nothing better than this. Okay? You can't get nothing better than this. And especially when it's free. Okay? Especially when it's free. Okay? It's a game changer. I'm going to answer all you guys. I'm going to go back and answer all you guys' questions in a minute. But I play with this on my Shield. I play with it on the K-Word. I play with it on my phone. I haven't played. The only thing I haven't attached this to, because I don't have one yet, I don't have a tablet. I don't mess around with tablets. Okay? I'm strictly PC and an Android box, okay? And my phone. But when I installed this on my phone, all it asked for was my username, my password, and boom, I was in there. I was in there. And you don't have to pay for none of that. I went to go share my Plex with somebody, okay? This is probably about a week ago. Okay, I went to go try to share my Plex with them, and I tried to put this on a tablet. Okay, Plex wants you to pay for a Plex Pass in order to use it on a tablet and a phone. Okay, this is probably about a week ago. This right here, I went to go try to share it. You don't have to pay for it. It's in the app. It's in the Apple Store. It's in the Play Store. Okay, and it's all, you can get it all on a PC. The servers all for that is all right here. It's in the app. It's in the Apple Store. All the servers right here. These are the main servers that people use. And then you also have over here unstable and stable. Please, you guys, do not use unstable version, okay? Because you're going to be very, very mad if things don't run right, okay? Things don't play right. Use a stable version of it, okay? Because you know it's going to work right, okay? And you know it's going to do what it's got to do on a stable version, okay? But like as you see, here's Windows right here. Use a stable version. You can pick a portable one, which means this can run on any system with runtime, netcore runtime. So you can use this as a portable one, so you can put this on a hard drive. You can install this to your hard drive, and you can take it somewhere else. Which means this can run on any system. You can install it to your server on a hard drive and take it somewhere else. And use that server somewhere else. You can install this to your hard drive. Can you do that with Plex? And you can take it somewhere else. You cannot. You cannot install Plex as a portable on your server on your hard drive. You can't. They don't give you that option. Jellifin gives you that option. Can you do that with Plex? Okay. No. But this right here, Windows is the best version for Windows. You just click download, install the server, and then I'm going to show you something. Okay. I'm going to show you something. But this right here, Windows, when you get it installed, you guys, you're going to see a little icon at the bottom of your right hand screen, okay? All you want to do to open up your server, all you want to do to open this up is to right click on it and click open. And it will open up this server. And then you can do everything from here. You can do everything from here. You have control over everything. Okay? Library is the most important thing right here. This right here. Add media library. This will get all this. Okay? All you have to do is point it in that path of where your content is. Make names for them. Okay? And that's it. It shows up. You actually, I don't have a password on mine. Okay? I don't have one on mine. I don't have a need for one because mine's is installed and I'm only using it right now inside my home. And it's only attached to so many devices. But if I want to, okay, I can go to general right here. I don't have a need for one because see, where is it at? Is installed. I can go to user right now inside my home. Click on this. Attached to so many devices. And I can put passwords in here. General right here. I can put a password in here. Okay? I can add a password in here for them to use. If I want them to have a password, all I have to do is put one in here. Okay? I can put a password. But you guys, okay? Jellifin is nice. It works very, very super well. I wouldn't stir you wrong on this one. This is like a game changer, man. This right here is something that you might want to check out. Okay, you might want to try it out. Because it's free. It's like a game changer, man. It's free. This right here. It plays it plays it plays your 4K just as much as Plex does. And it'll play your 4K just as much as Envy does. It'll play your 1080p, your 720. It'll play whatever you throw at it. Okay? It'll play whatever you throw at it. Because I have sections in here that have different formats. And it plays it. It'll play your 1080p. Everything in here is in different format. MP4, all kind of formats. I have sections in here, and it plays them. Okay, and it plays them very, very super well. Okay. Different format. MP4. So and then you also have up here your favorites. I don't have anything inside my favorites yet because I haven't messed around with the PC part of it, but you can add whatever you want inside here and it'll be right here in your favorites. Okay? And you can also do it for your Android. Okay, and inside the Android app. I'm actually go to the store tomorrow and get a box. I don't have one set up because I gave it away to somebody that needed it. But I'm going to go and get one. And I'm going to show you guys probably this weekend. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like Android wise. Okay? And it looks similar to this. And it works very, very, very super well. And this right here, you guys, collections, you don't even see that on Plex. You have to make on Plex and Envy, you have to make your own collections. You have to break it down yourself and make it into collections. This puts everything in collections by itself for you. Okay? Look, you have to make your own collections. You have to break it down. Training day. Make it into collections. This puts everything in collections. Oh wait, hold on. By itself for you. Don't want to play that. Hold on. Hold up. Hold on 1 second. Let me bring that back up. Hold up. Hold up. Let me just bring back up Envy. All right, you guys. But anyways, you guys see what I mean, okay? You guys see what I mean? It's not hard to do at all. It's not hard to do at all. I didn't want to start it, you know what I mean? I wanted to stop it before it starts. But anyways, as we go back into this, you can't get any better than this, collection-wise, okay? When you talk about breaking it down in collections for you, there's a lot of people out there that have collections, okay? And with Plex, everything is so hard. You almost have to use your own collection. You almost have to build your own thing. All this right here, if I was to do this in Plex, I would have to build all this myself. Okay? I'd have to build all this myself. Okay? So let me go over here and let me see what you guys talking about. My man D Johnson. Oh, let me bring up my chat. Here's my Twitter account. Most of you guys in here, know what I do, okay, most of you guys know what I do on the other end of the park, okay. So if you if you want to, you can follow me on Twitter. I appreciate it if you do. You know, I got so many people on there that, you know, so many good people on there that follow me. I usually put all my videos out in Telegram and Twitter, okay? So if you follow me on those two, you most definitely will see the other thing of the K word, what I do, okay? The last one I put out was KODIMAN. Very, very good build, you guys. It's besides Superman and that's one of my favorites, okay? And it runs very, very super well, okay? Very, very super well. See who else we got in here. Thanks, meet and greet. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Or install the server on your shield. I don't know. I don't know if you can actually do that. You might be able to. You can try. I don't know if you can. I think the servers is only for I think it's only for Windows, Mac, and OS, Mac and Apple. It's only for those and Linux. Okay, you can only install it on those, the server on those. I don't think you like Plex. You on a Plex on the Shield. You can have a server for Plex, but I think you have to install Jellyfin as a server on your PC. Okay, whatever you have, you might have a Mac, you might have a Windows, or you might have Linux. Whatever you got, you guys, you can use it. Okay, and it's open source. It's an open source, and it works very, very super well. So just a little glimpse of what you guys can do with it. Okay, so many things that you can do with this, with Jellyfin, and you can enjoy it like really nice. Okay, and you can share this. Other people can have your Jellyfin. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you. Well, I know you can share your Plex, which don't cost either. And you can, I'm not for sure. I don't mess around with MB, you guys. I don't mess around with MB. I know MB is pretty good. I just can't mess around with it though. I'm strictly Plex and Jellyfin. I might end up getting rid of my Plex and just switch to Jellyfin because it's free and I can control it. That's the most important thing, you guys. When you guys are dealing with when you're dealing with something with your content, you want to have control over it. And this, what Jellyfin does, you guys, it allows you to have control over your whole content to yourself. You can choose who you want on there. You can choose their password. You can choose their name. You can choose what you put on there. You can choose what you want them to see. And also the collections on there. Okay? And what makes it nice, it's portable. You can take this and share this any other PC. So say you want to put it on a hard drive, install your server on a hard drive, okay? And say you want to take it to Tim's house, okay? Say you want to take your server to Tim's house. Well, you could take your server to Tim's house, download the portable one, install it to your hard drive, and boom, it's on your hard drive. Yeah. Um. So really nice, you guys. I'm sorry, you guys. I've been echoing. I probably had my my YouTube on. Sorry about that. But it's nice, you guys. It's really nice. And I hope you guys download it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys be able to use it on your own and explore different things with Jellyfin, okay? Troop said I'm good here. Thanks, Troop. I think I have my YouTube open at the same time. Yeah, I did. I think I did. Sorry, you guys. I won't have that same mistake next time. And it's great to see everyone here. It's good to see you guys, man. It's good to see you guys. And I'm so happy that I can actually get a little crowd going on and show you guys. I'm the type person, you guys, I can rock with just two people. I can rock with one person. As long as I'm helping one person, it's good. You know what I mean? It's really good. And I'm happy I'm helping somebody. Okay? I just wanted to get this out here. I wanted to show you guys this little glimpse of Jellyfin. The link is inside the description where you can get it from, where you can download it. Have fun. Download it. Start adding some of your content to it. You know, get it on your box and make it yours. Make it yours. Make it something that you want, okay? Not something nobody else can have. Make it your type of content. Okay? Whatever you want. Because that's the name of the game. We all want free. I don't know about you guys, but I like free. I like free. Okay? But there's some other things that you can't get for free. Sometimes you have to pay for some things. Okay? Sometimes you have to pay for some things. But this right here, you guys, you don't have to pay for it. Okay? You don't have to pay for it. It's simply free to set up. It's simply free to download. It's simply free to, put your content in there and run it. And nobody has to know nothing what you do. Okay? So much love to you guys, man. Much love to all my my mods, Shrinking Sharon, Troop, Mr. Meet and Greet. Shout out to all you guys, man. Those are my mods throughout my groups. Those are my mods here. I appreciate you guys. Without those guys, without them, I probably wouldn't exist because they help me out so much. Okay, they help me out when this channel gets started. They're always on top of things. They're always here to help me out and to get things going. So good show. Thank you. I appreciate it. And Troop says if it's for free, it's for me. I don't blame you, man. If it's for free, it's for me too. I love free. I take advantage of stuff that's free. And you guys, I just showed you something that's awesome. I showed you guys something that, I mean, I can show you Plex all day. I can show you Plex all day. I can show you NBA all day. But at the end, you're going to end up having to pay for some of that. Okay? And I like to add stuff in there for free because a lot of people out here want something they can use for free that's awesome. And this right here, this application is awesome. I downloaded, I tested it. It does what it's supposed to do. Okay. And I made sure before I got on here, I made sure before I got on here and before I showed you guys, I made sure that it was doing what it was supposed to be doing. And I wanted to show you guys so you guys can do for yourself. Okay. But go ahead and download this application, you guys. And don't forget, you guys, man, if you guys can share this video to somebody else, because somebody else might like this. Okay. Somebody else might like to see something for free, especially when they got content, you know what I mean? And this is like a game changer to me because so many features that they add inside of Jellifin to make it for free and make it look nice, and it looks amazing. I'm about to get something this weekend, and I'm gonna show you the Android version of Jellyfin. Okay, I can't show you what it looks like on Kodi because I'll get flagged for it. I wish I could show you guys. I would have to do that in a video, and you would have to come to my Telegram group, or you would have to go to Twitter to see that video, okay? Because YouTube does not like that stuff, okay? There's very, very, very guidelines that we gotta go by, that we have to, that we have to do, and so I have to abide by them. You know what I mean? If not, I could lose my channel, and I don't want to lose my channel. You know what I mean, you guys? So I'm trying to think of things that I can show you guys that look awesome, that works awesome, and plays awesome. Okay. And also, you guys, don't forget, I'm a gamer too. So we're going to go through some gaming too. We're going to go through some gaming. And I'm going to show you guys the gaming side of it. Okay. My apologies on the echoing. I know that was annoying. I'm sorry. I didn't look at my YouTube before I even started. I probably should have, but my apologies on that. Hopefully you guys understood me. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and go live again, probably this weekend. And this time I'm gonna open Jellyfin up in Android, and I'm gonna show you everything that's on there. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna show you what you could do with it. It's very, very simple, looking stage, just like this. Just like it is on your server, but it looks really, really nice, and it plays really, really good. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you all, you guys. Thanks to my mods for showing up. Thanks to everybody that showed up today and watched me do what I had to do. Okay, and show you guys what I had. Okay, really, really appreciate it. Much love. There's a whole lot, you guys, to come. I'm not done. I'm not done at all. Far from being done. This channel is going to grow. I'm going to make it grow real, real fast. And also my Telegram group, you guys. I'm telling you, it's listed inside description. It's listed inside description. I'm telling you guys. You guys don't know what you're missing. It's a very, very good group. There's about 400 and some odd people inside my group, and everybody there is very polite. Everybody there will welcome you. Everybody there will answer your questions. I'm always in and out. If you have a question, you can leave it in there. and I'll get back to it if somebody else don't answer you first. Okay? I'm really, really good about answering questions really, really quick. So thank you guys for stopping by. Appreciate it. Much love to you guys. You guys have a good one. You guys stay safe. Stay blessed always. Always stay blessed. And have a good one. I'm going to see you guys probably this weekend, okay? Probably this weekend. And we're going to go over the Jellyfin side of the Android this weekend. And I want to show you guys what it looks like on that side, okay? And then you guys can go from there. You guys can take it and run with it. And let me know inside the comments, or however you can, let me know how you like it, okay? Let me know if you have any problems. If you have any problems, get with me, and I most definitely will help you, okay? I'm really good at helping somebody, and I'm really appreciative, okay? So you guys have a good one. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And hey, I'll most definitely see you guys on next one. Peace out.